In this video, I'm going to go through the process of connecting multiple Klaviyo accounts, and I've just got a few made up test accounts here, and connecting them to Claude. So the process I'm going to take is I'm going to go to the Customize page first, and then I'm going to go to Connectors, and in the plus icon at the top here, there's Browse Connectors, and I can search up Klaviyo. Now, the typical technique that people will use is simply connecting a Klaviyo account, and this is fine if you just have one account to connect. You just connect it, select your account, and you're done and ready to go. But the issue is that a lot of email marketers or people at email marketing agencies will manage multiple accounts, and if you want to be able to manage and control and access them from within Claude, you're going to have the issue where you have to keep disconnecting and reconnecting. So instead, what we're going to do is there's a little link here that says connector URL. Now, what we want to get is this first little part here where it says mcp.klaviyo.com/mcp. And this is Klaviyo's official MCP server address that we're going to use. And in the plus icon, instead of selecting browse connectors, we're going to go add custom connector. Now, I'm going to write Klaviyo and then whatever the name of this account is, so let's just say test for this one, and I'm going to type in this. Now, to the end of this link, I'm going to add a question mark and write company equals, and then for this one, I'm just going to write the name of the brand, and you're obviously going to have a proper name there, but in this case, test account. Now, keep in mind, what you write here doesn't matter too much. It's just important we just add this entire component to make sure we can differentiate the links so that Claude lets us add multiple connectors. However, it is important that you get this bit right. So what I'm going to do now is click add, and I'm going to be redirected to this where I can click connect. And now Claude is going to connect to Klaviyo's MCP server. We'll click approve. It's going to come up here with our however many accounts you have and select the one that you want to select in this case. It's going to show what it's approving, and we can click allow. Now we can see we've got this custom Klaviyo connection here. So I'm going to do the exact same thing for this other made up brand that I've got right here in Klaviyo. Okay, now we can see we've got two Klaviyo accounts connected here. You can obviously connect as many as you want, and for each of them you can set various permissions across all of your brands. And then when you're talking to Claude or doing some kind of workflow and you want it to look into a certain Klaviyo account, then you simply reference a particular account and it can access that and do whatever tasks you need. Pretty simple, but easy to get confused when Claude makes it seem like the only way to connect is the single connection line with the single Klaviyo connector.